guys, so today I'm here at Pantry in Katipunan and I'm about to try some vegan food. Diba? Here we have some squid balls. It's all vegan, don't forget. So it's really interesting. And then there's pork belly. Or, well, of course it's not pork. Look at it. Oh my god. Diba? It really looks like pork. I'm gonna try it in a bit and I'm gonna let you know if it really tastes like pork. And then mac and cheese. Don't forget, cheese is not allowed if you're vegan. So I really don't know how this is gonna taste. So I really hope it tastes like cheese. Let's see if they're gonna make a believer out of me. And then there's nachos. See, so obviously that's not beef on top and neither is it cheese. So, let's see. Okay, so I started with the nachos. There's the fake cheese. Fake cheese talaga. And then the ground meat. And honestly, it doesn't taste that much different from like your regular nachos and meat. I mean, most nachos have like processed. The cheese naman is like parang yung mga fake na cheese sauce, diba? So, okay lang. You're not gonna miss your dairy or your meat here. And now it's time to try these squid balls. Vegetarian, no, vegan still. So, yeah, may sauce pa sila na parang fishball sauce talaga. It's a lot softer than your normal squid balls. But it's crunchy on the outside, so it's good. And then there's a slight taste of like seafood. So it's nice. It's just kind of soft. So may pagka parang takoyaki kind of. But that's not a bad thing. Okay guys, the moment of truth. This is their pork belly made out of soy. And then there's their lechon sauce. Yan, Mang Tomas without the without the atay, without the meat. May pagka-chewy siya, parang may mga fat pa talaga. Ang galing. Parang talaga siyang pork belly. Yeah, parang may may fat and then may skin. It's good. I could eat this and pretend it's meat. Okay, now it's time for the mac and cheese. That doesn't really have cheese. So apparently it's just a vegetable-based sauce that they made to look like cheese. Okay, for this one, I'm kind of missing the cheese a little bit. Yeah. It does taste kind of like vegetables to me. It lacks a little bit of creaminess and yung pull ng cheese. So, I'm not 100% convinced on this one. Mas convinced ako dun sa pork, which is weird. I would eat it still, pero yeah, I mean, I'm missing the cheese here. Time for dessert! Vegan ice cream. This one is coconut, so it tastes really nice and it's really creamy and sweet. Can't go wrong, really.